Hi! Welcome back to our channel.
Mabuhay kayong lahat!
So tonight we're going to do a very simple sweet and sour chicken. Ingredients that you'll need to do this are diced chicken breast, peppers, garlic, ginger, onions, some sugar, tomato ketchup, pineapple chunks, vinegar and cashew nuts. So we're going to cook this in a microwave. You can do it in a pan on a stove, so that's fine. So we're just adding the chicken and the peppers, the garlic, the sugar, the onion and the ginger. And we're just going to give those a little bit of a mix together, just to mix them up. And then from there we're going to add in the tomato ketchup, and the vinegar. And once again, give this a really good mix up so that the ingredients get coated with the vinegar and the tomato ketchup. So this is the mixed ingredients. You notice that we did leave out the pineapple chunks and the cashew nuts at this stage. So we're now going to put this in the microwave. We're going to microwave it for around about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring it occasionally just to make sure that that chicken is cooked through. So we'll just pop this into the microwave now. I'm going to set it on to medium power for this one, and I'm going to cook it for 10 minutes. So the sweet and sour has been cooking for about 10 minutes in the microwave, so I've taken it out. I'm now just going to add the pineapple. So we'll put that in, stir that around. And once that's in, I'm going to pop it back in the microwave, again without a lid. And we're going to cook that on medium for about 3 minutes.
Okay.
Right, so that's the sweet and sour. The final ingredient is the cashew nuts. So we'll just tip those in now, and then that's it finished. Stir that around, and we're good to go. So this is the finished sweet and sour. You can see I've just stirred in a few green beans just to add a little bit of colour. If you like, you could add sitao, you could add green peas, or any other green vegetable that you like.